This video takes us to Deca Antwerp, a car meet that often makes it to the news. We went there ourselves and it didn't end well, but that's not the only meet we're hitting in this video, so stay tuned.
Hello guys, come. Today videos we are going to check the underground car scene. We are going with BMW. If they are not going to drift, I will assure you I am going to drift. Then it's a 3 series and not a 3 series. But let's go. We are going to go now. We are on the spot over there. You see already an M2. I'm really curious how it's going to be. I heard there's already some police, but we're just going to go like we are just in a 3 series. We don't have anything illegal, so we will see. I think someone turbo blew up. It's an Audi, of course. Oh no! Is it an Audi? I think no, it's a BMW, of course. What the fuck? His turbo just blew up, and he was just riding. Way yo. Underground of Belgium. As you can see, a lot of people, man. That is really crazy. Look how a lot of people. Wow. And I will guarantee you will see a lot here. And police will come 100%. So let's check it out. And I already saw 2 blue M2s, and that's my dream car. I had it only for a month and then it broke down on me. But yeah, that's fucked up. But soon we will get the M2 back. Oh! Dikke knallen! Look how many people!
That's the sound of the police!
A lot of police. It's already done. Really nice lighting. Thank you. Very much nice lighting. They're really making money if they can buy a BMW X5 police car. That is really crazy. Wow. Lower. Okay, but guys, we are going to the second spot and here won't be police, so here will be some nice things, and it's raining, so maybe we'll do some nice things too. On private terrain though, private terrain. Let's go to the second spot. Finally some motion. Crazy, nice, really nice. Yeah, nee. It's a woman driver, first time drifting. It's really good for first time. So guys, we are back in the car. As you can see, we are not in BMW anymore. We are in Seat right now. Yesterday we went, of course, to Decathlon and all of that, but now we are going to a different meeting. So as you can see, we are at the first spot of tonight. We are a really nice spot and we are going to drift there. Yeah, a lot of nice cars right here, some M2s, a lot of BMWs, so there will be drifting 100% guaranteed. So let's go. M240i. I don't know if you can hear it, but best sounding engine of a BMW, and the B58, of course, the best sounding engines. S58 and S55, really good sounding, but nothing compared to this sound. Really nice. So we arrived at the first spot. We're going to check out, but I already see it's going to be a nice spot. Yeah, we'll see a lot of cars, and this is just one group. This is really crazy. I have so much regrets that I'm not with my car. Oh. It's very loud. But now we are going over to the real thing. What the fuck? Oh. That guy is a driver, man. Wow. He can drive so good. Really crazy. Look at this. Let's check that out. Let's check it out. As me. It's not perfect, but for literally that's a normal BMW, and it's really crazy. That's really why that BMW is the best brand, because you can drift literally every car from BMW. It's so nice. Second car, the purple M240i, I think. Now it's time for the M2, my old car. Let's see. With flame tune, downpipe. Really crazy car. Look how beautiful it is too. Wow. The sound. Wow. If you want to see something crazy, he's crazy. It's a four-wheel drive Mercedes A45 AMG. Still sketchy though, but that's totally normal. It's not a car made to do this. Welcome to Mexico. Wish. Oei, geef een keer wat gas. Kom, gas. Fast as fuck, boy.
Fast as fuck, boy.
We just took a flight to Mexico. We are now in Mexico.
I came by the train.
Wish. Chaos. But literally, this is nothing compared to the meetings in the summer. That is 10 times more people, fireworks, crazy drifts, crazy cars. This is just a nice chill meeting. It's nice too, beginning of the season. BMW, love it. Wow. So as you can see, the boys are still drifting and driving over there, but I'm here at the car. And this was the video. It was the beginning of the season. A lot of crazy and nice things coming soon. There is so much planned. We just went to a road trip to St. Moritz, but we are going to do a lot more road trips. So stay tuned, and this was the end of the video. Bye.